Daenerys Targaryen began her journey with almost nothing. No army, no kingdom, no wealth. She was a frightened exile sold into marriage by her own brother. Yet, within a few years, she commanded dragons, armies, and entire cities. But her rise and eventual fall revealed something powerful about money, because the exact forces that build her power are the same forces that build wealth in the real world. And the mistake that destroyed her is the same mistake that ruins many investors. When we first meet Daenerys, she's powerless. Her brother Viserys constantly reminds her that she exists only to help him reclaim the Iron Throne. She has no army, no resources, no influence. Her future is completely uncertain. But everything begins to change when she learns something important. Power is rarely taken all at once. It is built slowly, step by step, decision by decision. She begins by earning loyalty, first from Khal Drogo, then from Dothraki warriors, and then from those who begin to believe in her vision. She doesn't conquer the world immediately. She grows stronger with every step, and slowly her power begins to compound. This is one of the most misunderstood truths about money. Many people believe wealth appears suddenly, a lucky investment or a viral business idea or a sudden opportunity. But real wealth almost never happens that way. Instead, wealth grows quietly through small advantages repeated over time, through better decisions, through better habits, and better patience. At first, progress seems small, sometimes even disappointing. But over time, those small improvements begin to compound, and eventually the results become extraordinary. Compounding is one of the most powerful forces in finance. It works slowly at first, almost invisibly, but over long periods of time, it becomes unstoppable. Just like Daenerys' rise, her influence did not appear overnight. It grew through loyalty, victories, and belief. Each new victory strengthened the next. Each new follower attracted more followers. Her power multiplied. In finance, many of the world's most successful investors followed the same path. Their wealth was not built overnight. Instead, it was built through patience, careful decisions, and consistency over many years. At beginning of their journey, their progress looked ordinary, but time allowed their gains to multiply, and eventually those gains became massive fortunes. This is the quiet secret behind many great investors. As Daenerys' power grows, so does her confidence. She frees slaves, she conquers cities, her armies grow larger, her dragons grow stronger. More and more people begin to believe that she is unstoppable. And slowly, Daenerys begins to believe it too. At first, this confidence helps us. Leaders need confidence, investors need confidence. Without belief in your decisions, progress becomes impossible. But confidence has a dangerous side because confidence can slowly transform into something else. This happens frequently in the world of investing. Someone enters the market during a good time, their investments rise, their portfolio grows quickly, they begin to feel smarter, more skilled, more confident, and sometimes that confidence slowly becomes overconfidence. They begin taking larger bets, they stop questioning their decisions, they believe they have discovered a winning formula. But markets are unpredictable, and history shows that periods of easy success often create the biggest mistakes. This has happened many times in financial history. During market booms, investors often become convinced that prices will continue rising forever. They feel unstoppable, just like powerful leaders who believe their victories will never end. But markets eventually change, and when they do, those who became overconfident often suffer the most. Daenerys begins her journey listening to advisors. Jorah Mormont warns her when danger approaches. Tyrion Lannister offers strategic guidance. Her advisors help balance her power. They help slow down her impulses. But as time passes, Daenerys begins trusting her own instincts more than anyone else's. She becomes convinced that her vision is always correct. And when leaders stop listening, they begin making decisions alone. That is often the beginning of dangerous mistakes. In finance, discipline is one of the most valuable traits an investor can have. Discipline means controlling emotions. Discipline means managing risk. Discipline means admitting when you might be wrong. But success makes discipline harder because success makes people believe their judgment is always correct. And when that belief grows too strong, mistakes become inevitable. Think about this for a moment. If your investments doubled in a year, how would you react? Would you become more careful or would you feel unstoppable? Most people become more confident, and that confidence can quietly become dangerous. The tragedy of Daenerys Targaryen is that the same qualities that built her power also contributed to her downfall. Her determination, her confidence, her belief in her destiny, these qualities helped her rise from nothing. But without discipline, those same qualities eventually led to her destruction. Daenerys teaches us three powerful lessons about money. First, wealth is built slowly through patience and compounding. Second, success can create dangerous overconfidence. And third, power without discipline eventually destroys itself. In the world of finance, success is not about quick victories, it is about patience and staying disciplined even when success makes you feel unstoppable. If you enjoy learning finance lessons through Game of Thrones characters, please consider subscribing because some of the most powerful lessons about money are hidden inside great stories.